Igbos and Yorubas are at war. Lawyers, judges, Yorubas. Don't even know if we are at war with each other. I'm so disappointed that our Yoruba must engage in this. It's good we say it. From the Chief Justice, from the Attorney General, from DSS, from lawyers, judges, they are all Yoruba.
What's this one doing here? What are you 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 doing here? This is the idiot that attacked me. This is the fool that attacked me. That's the idiot. That's the fool. I'm going down talk. Don't talk me. I'm warning you, don't talk me. I'm warning you, don't talk me. Don't talk me. Don't talk me. I said don't talk me. Don't. Smart people. You don't know law. Show me where it says you can wear my right foreign address. Show me the law. Show me the law. I want to show me the law. You don't know law. They are demoting you. You're writing rubbish. Show me the law. Unaddressed affidavit. You say you go. Are you doing their job for them? God will punish you now and forever. Any judgment, let it be on record. Any judgment given in this court is rubbish. Ask him where is the law. Ask for what Osho, where is the law?
Let's go, please.
Where is the law?
Let's go.
Lawyers, judges, Yorubas. Don't even know if we are at war with each other. I'm so disappointed that our Yoruba must engage in this. It's good we say it. From the Chief Justice, from the Attorney General, from DSS, from lawyers, judges, they are all Yoruba. Ask him where is the law. Ask Omotosho, where is the law? Where is the law?
Just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.